Creating a VPN between two cloud-managed fireboxes is as simple as a few clicks. A VPN can be created between two cloud-managed fireboxes or between a cloud-managed firebox and a third-party VPN endpoint. Since both of these fireboxes are managed in the cloud, all of the available IP addresses and networks are displayed right here for the admin to choose from. Once the VPN is created, you can find status information about it under the live status. From here, you can also rekey the tunnel if needed, and if troubleshooting is required, we provide a detailed debug log. For real-time status and information, you can use our traffic monitor live logs.